A modern 4-bedroom, 2-story home, and it looks this sharp. With the open plan kitchen, stone bench tops, and quality appliances, this is the heart of the home. With 4 generous sized bedrooms, ducted air throughout, and 3 bathrooms makes it so easy in the morning with no queues. Then the back opens up to this large alfresco area made for family weekends. With T-way bus running from Parramatta to Liverpool both ways. Great cafes, great schools, parks everywhere. This suburb is built for families.